Welcome to my trading room. This is my setup. Let me give a glimpse of what goes on in my trading room. Let's start with the hardware. There you see the Dell desktop with an Intel i5 quad-core processor, SSD drive, and an NVIDIA graphics card. That is the UPS. I have two 43-inch 4K monitors with a Corsair gaming keyboard, Corsair mouse, and a gaming hotkey AORUS shortcut board. And you can see that I trade through DAS. That is my main montage. You can see the level 2 and time and sales. So I have there is no activity right now because of course the market is closed. So this is the time and sales which everything goes through, and this is where I filter for greater than 1,000. And this main montage is linked to the 1-minute chart, 2-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, and the daily chart. I primarily trade with the 1-minute and the 5-minute, but I like to monitor the other time periods as well. And this is the chart, daily chart, where I draw my levels. So this main montage is linked to my primary watch list, which is this watch list. I'll talk about the watch list in a minute. So in addition to that main montage, I have 3 more tickers attached directly to montages. So at the open, I am watching maximum of 4 tickers, and that's it. And to the right of that, you can see the TI scanners. You can see the BBT gappers scanner right there. And I have a couple of there which I like. And then in this monitor, other than those, I have this TI single stock window. I like to have my single stock window right above my main montage, and I'm always watching the SPY. So there's a SPY 5-minute chart which is always on, SPY 1-day chart just as a quick reference to where we are in the day for the SPY, and there is a TI 5-minute window for me to set alerts, and you will see that that alert window is right there above the single stock window. And I have my account information right there. So account, my positions and my orders right next to it. So that is one of the monitors. And the other monitor, a big portion of that monitor is occupied by the BBT chat room. I'm always on running the chat room to see what the BBT my family members are doing, so it's always on. So that is the BBT chat room. Then the rest of it is all charts for me to the charts, the tickers that I want to track through the day. And coming back to the watch list, this is my primary I'm watching at open list. This list is my watch list of all the tickers that I'm interested in today, which are connected to these charts, so that I know exactly where to go in the watch list if I see a setup coming in any of these charts. This last watch list is market indexes like SPY, IWM, and VIX. And this third watch list is for what Andrew calls the low float garbage stocks, which are risky, or maybe they have a high spread, but I still want to keep a track on them. That bucket goes here. And this is a miscellaneous bucket which I can monitor my swing trades or any other miscellaneous stuff which does not fall into any of the other categories. And then you can see that there is a bunch of TI charts above the chat room, but typically I find that the charts in DAS that I'm watching are usually sufficient. This portion of the screen is sufficient for me. And then I have my notebook with some notes that I can jot down, so you can see notes during the day or notes in the pre-market. Then I have my water, my eye drops, my staples, which help me get through the day. And This corner I have an inspirational quote that my child writes me a new quote every day. So that is my trading setup. Thanks for joining me on a trip to my trading room. Happy trading, everyone.